Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share decorating ideas. Today in this video we have shared charming farmhouse decorating ideas, cozy cottage vintage rustic decor tips. In this video we have curated a collection of charming farmhouse decorating ideas, cozy cottage inspiration and vintage rustic decor tips to infuse warmth and character into your home. Whether you are looking to revamp your living space or simply add a touch of nostalgia, these timeless design concepts are sure to inspire. Embrace the rustic allure of farmhouse decor by incorporating reclaimed wood elements, distress finishes, and weather textures. Create a cozy ambience with soft linens, plush pillows, and warm throws, evoking the inviting atmosphere of a countryside retreat. Channel the quaint charm of a cottage aesthetic with whimsical accents, floral patterns, and vintage-inspired decor pieces. From quaint teacup collections to floral arrangements, these delightful touches add personality and whimsy to any room. Infuse your space with the timeless appeal of vintage decor, celebrating the beauty of bygone eras. From antique furniture to retro accents, incorporating vintage elements adds character and charm, telling a story of days gone by. Whether you are drawn to the rugged simplicity of rustic design or the nostalgic charm of vintage decor, there are endless ways to personalize your space and create a home that reflects your unique style. Explore the art of layering textures and mixing materials to add depth and visual interest to your decor scheme. From cozy wool rugs to weathered metal accents, the juxtaposition of different textures add dimension and warmth to any room. Celebrate the beauty of imperfection with distress finishes, worn patiness, and salvaged treasures. Embrace the unique character of each piece. Whether it's a vintage find or a handcrafted heirloom, infusing your room with soulful charm. So creating inviting gathering spaces with comfortable seating, cozy nooks, and inviting picnics that encourage relaxation and conversation. Whether it's a cozy reading corner or a welcoming entryway, design your home with hospitality in mind, creating spaces that invite guests to linger and unwind. From charming farmhouse accents to cozy cottage comforts, Vintage rustic decor offers endless inspiration for creating a home that feels warm, welcoming, and uniquely yours. So embrace the beauty of imperfection, celebrate the passage of time, and surround yourself with the things that bring you joy and comfort. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like our video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.